welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is HBM Organic Beauty. So for today's DIY, I will be making face masks, creamy face masks. This face mask will fight pimples, it will clear uneven skin tone, it will take off all your whiteheads, your blackheads, it will fight wrinkles on your face, and it will brighten up your face because I will be adding some natural brightening ingredients into this face mask. And again, if you want to sell this face mask, if you want to make it for sale, I advise you watch this video to the end because I'll be giving you directions on how this face mask will be applied. So guys, don't go away, watch this video to the end. So let's go and formulate this face mask. So guys, I've sterilized my cups, my spoon. So the first thing that I will be adding here is my Ewax. Yeah, I added 5 grams of my Ewax. Then my cetyl alcohol, I'll be adding 5 grams. My cetyl alcohol, 5 grams. So guys, here is my 5 grams of my Ewax, 5 grams of my cetyl alcohol. Then I'll be adding in my oil. So guys, I'll be adding in 50 ml of my oil. 50 ml of my oil. So I'll go and melt this now. So guys, I've added 50 ml of my oil. So next thing is for me to go and double boil this so as to melt it. So guys, for my water, for my distilled water, I'll be needing 300 ml of my distilled water. So here is my 300 ml of distilled water. We'll heat up this distilled water so as to kill any bacteria in it. So guys, next I'll be mixing in all the powders that I'll be using to make this face mask. For the face mask, I'll be using 1 clay powder and my activated charcoal. 1 clay powder, you can use any clay powder of your choice. For the powders I will be mixing now, I will be using my Indian healing clay powder and my activated charcoal. This is my Indian healing clay. So guys, so here is my clay, 40 grams of my clay. So here is my activated charcoal. I want this mask to fight acne, fight rashes, and all sorts of facial problem. So I added in 10 grams of my charcoal powder. Here is my clay and my charcoal powder, my clay and activated charcoal. So for my brightening property, I'll be adding in my orange peel powder, 2 grams of my orange peel powder. So guys, for another brightening property, I'll be adding my Indian turmeric. This is my Indian turmeric powder. This is not Nigerian turmeric powder. This is Indian turmeric powder. So the orange peel and the Indian turmeric powder will brighten up your face. I added 2 grams. I've added in all my clays and botanicals. Yes, my clays and botanicals. I've mixed everything. Yeah. So here is my Ewax Cetearyl and oil. Here is my distilled water. They are both at the same temperature right now. What I will do next is for me to mix my water face into my oil face. Yeah, my water face into my oil face. So guys, I'll let this to cool down a bit so that it will emulsify. Yeah, I just use little percent of my Ewax because I don't want it to be too thick. Normally I'm supposed to use my BTMS or my Olivem, but just because I don't have it, so I have to find a way to work with my Ewax. Here is my base cream. You can see it has solidified. So next, what I'll be doing is that I'll be taking the pH level of this. I'll be taking the pH level of this before I pour in my clays and botanicals, because I would love to have a perfect pH balanced level. Can you see these 2 paper? When your when the pH level of your product is too alkaline, your pH paper comes out green like this, but when it's balanced, it comes out in this color. You see, this side is different from this side. It comes out in this color. So next, I'll be adding in my preservative so that my face marks will not go bad. I added in water here, so I have to add in my preservative. So time to add in my preservative. So guys, yeah, now I'll be adding in my clays and my botanicals, the one I've mixed. So I'll be adding it in gradually. Wow, I'm supposed to actually use a wider bowl, but I've actually added too much of the powder. Yeah, it's much. So I advise, if you're selling, I didn't use the whole of my powder, so probably if I'm making another batch, I will use this with it. You can decide to make this creamier than this. You can decide to leave it thick. hope you guys can see. There's no too much light in here, but I hope you can see the way the scrub look like. It's actually thick, so the texture now is something of a choice. If you want it to look creamy, it's up to you. If you want it to look thicker than this, it's up to you. But I think it's okay this way, but probably if I'm making another batch, it might not be thick like this. I won't make it thick like this, or probably if I'm selling, it won't be thick like this, so that it will be easy for application. So let me show you my face. I've applied some. So here's my face. I've actually applied some and it's getting dry. Yeah, it's almost dry. It's almost dry. So one good thing about this scrub is just that you just, yeah, this is how it look. So one good thing about the scrub is just that you don't need to start, you know, doing the stress of mixing with water. You just take it like your cream. My hand is washed. My hand is washed, so you just scoop it like a cream, then you just apply. You understand? So you can probably do this with brush. Yeah, I encourage you do with brush. I don't have my brush right here, so you understand, you just use it to, you dab it on your face with your brush, those places you have acne, so it will fight acne, fight rashes. But please, before you apply this on your face, if you actually have acne wash, you first of all wash off your face with your acne wash. Probably you can also scrub with your konjac sponge. You scrub your face, then after scrubbing you apply your face mask, you let it dry, you wash off. After washing off, you spray or dab your acne cleanser. The cleanser gets dries on your face, then you can apply your dark spot corrector. So I'm gonna make a video on how I take care of my own acne. Like seriously, I am the acne type, and if not that I've been taking care of it, oh my god, it would have been worse than this. And please, we have customized products for sale, natural products. Please, I don't sell pro-mixed product. I sell natural product made from scratch, made by me. You can see the lotion I made in my last video, the hibiscus anti-aging lotion. You can see it there. So it's just remaining that 3. So if you want any of our products, is available. So thank you very much, guys. I really appreciate it. And if you've not subscribed, kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel, like and share my video, and don't forget to turn on your notification bell below so that you'll be updated when I upload a new video. I can't wait for this to dry off so that I'll just go and wash off. All right, guys, bye.